So today is a significant day, especially in terms of our plan of combating HIV/AIDS in Fiji, and we are very grateful to the government of India for assisting the Ministry of Health and the HIV unit with the supply of very much needed ARV drugs. That will be it has come at a timely it's come at a timely uh, period because the part of our HIV unit plan is now to scale up in terms of treatment and prevention purposes. So this has come in a timely manner. And Fiji is grateful to the government of India for providing assistance of ARV drugs. This is not the first time, and they have done this before. And again, we are very thankful for the continued support, especially in our fight to try and reduce the transmission of HIV/AIDS in Fiji. So I've mentioned this before. As we scale up our efforts in terms of screening and testing, we will expect to see a rising number of cases. With that being said, as we try and improve our effort in scaling up on testing and screening, we also ensure that the treatment phase of it is also ready. So it will run parallel, and that is why this is timely, because it has come at the right time as we try and scale up on our efforts to reduce the transmission of HIV through the various thematic areas under the plan. So I've heard it on the news, but I have not yet had any briefing from our Tavo team. We do not condone the spillage of, you can say, medical waste into the environment. That is something we do not condone, but no, I'll have to get more details from our team in Tavo, and if it happens, it's something that we need to urgently try and rectify. So as you've heard from the High Commissioner, that is an ongoing discussion between the Ministry of Health and the Indian High Commission. And I believe the Indian High Commissioner has stated that the tender process has been done, or it's about to be completed. And very soon we will see the construction phase starting. From the government's end, we've done our part, and now it is with the Commission. But we are continuously discussing, and we are grateful of the update that was given today by the Indian High Commission.